Hello. This is the demonstration of creating Facebook page message bot using Conceptune Flux. Let's get started. Entering account email. Continue. Now enter account password. Continue to dashboard. Click on Agentic AI card. Now, add new agent workflow. And then enter module name as Facebook bot and description of your own. Hit create module and now hover the create Facebook bot as we have named it and then click on workflow button. Close the how to build dialog. Now drop the Facebook trigger node from the nodes palette and click on it. Enable chat logs and then save it. Now drop the GPT model node and click the output connector from Facebook trigger node to wire it with GPT model node input connector. Select the Flux default API key and provide some instructions accordingly for training the bot, like we are providing, you are an assistant for customer support. Now click on Input tab at the top left corner and drag and drop the data.message field to prompt template field and save it. Scroll down the nodes palette and search for Facebook response node and drop it to the playground and wire it with GPT model output and then open Facebook response node and click on its Input tab and drag and drop the content field to chat template and save it. Now search for GPT memory node. Drop it to playground and do the same wiring it with GPT model node, open it and just save it and then hit the compile button and close the compile logs dialog. And then open Facebook trigger node and click on connect with Facebook button. You will be redirected to Facebook auth page and before continue log in to Facebook account or if already logged in select the page you want to give access to create the messenger bot. Hit continue. Save it. Before saving, verify your correct Facebook account. Save it. Got it. Continue. Save the Facebook trigger dialog and reopen it to check whether the Facebook page is connected or not. See, it's showing the disconnect option means it got connected. Now again compile it and open the Facebook account. Open the page you have created a bot with. Click on message option and send a test message. Let's say hello to the test page. Wait for the bot response. See, the bot says, hello. How can I assist you today? That's awesome. Now another message, how are you? Wait for bot response. Yes, the message arrived. Let's see the compiled bot logs. Thank you so much.